Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into your ABBYY University. So let's get started. And if you want to log into your ABBYY University, what you can do is just open up a browser. I'm choosing my Chrome browser. You can choose any browser you like. And after opening your Chrome browser, in search bar you have to search for ABBYY University login. And after searching for that, you will come up to this page where you can find the first option, ABBYY University. Just tap on that option. And now we will come up to their login page. So now if you want to log in their account, what you can do is just enter the username over here and then enter the password. And after entering the username and password, just tap on login and you will successfully log into your ABBYY University account. But if you have forgotten their password, what you can do is just tap on forgot password. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your ABBYY University's account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.